Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by confirming the right pathway for your profile. Express entry if you aim for permanent residence, IEC for youth, or an ELMIA route if an employer is involved. Once decided, order an ECA and book your language test. These documents underpin points and eligibility. Create an IRC Secure account now and upload clear scans of your passport, diplomas, and employment references. Make sure to note processing times and fees so you can time applications without gaps. Once your ECA and language scores are ready, submit your Express entry profile or have your employer apply for an ELMIA. This step triggers the core evaluation. After submission, arrange biometrics and a panel physician medical exam and request police certificates from every country you lived in. Make sure translations and notarizations are attached where needed, and keep checking your IRC account for messages. Respond quickly to any document requests to avoid delays and maintain your application's active status. When you receive an invitation to apply or a positive decision, pay outstanding fees and upload any last documents, then obtain your copper or work permit letter. Prepare for arrival by printing these documents, arranging travel, and knowing the conditions on your permit like employer, location, and duration. If something goes wrong, say a refusal, request the reason, correct missing evidence, and consider reapplying or seeking professional advice. A single missing police check or misfiled document.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.